everyone again, Wednesday. Yan po. Yan ang aming kumbento. So, ang aming lunch for today, I show you. It's Wednesday. Walang aming father. Kanilang, ay, Kobe. Kobe, come here. Come here, Kobe. Kobe, come here. Wow, look at this. Dog. Doggy. Doggy. Ang aso namin dito si Kobe. Si Kobe. I hate dogs. I love cats. Have a nice day to all of us. Lunch for today, araw ng Wednesday. Stick chicken. Tas ininit ko yung aming tira kahapon. Chop suey. Kasi mas gusto ko to. Lunch for today.